Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by importing only the files you will actually use. This saves time and memory. Tap the plus to create a project, pick aspect ratio, then choose Import Media. Select video, image, or audio from device storage. Long press multiple files to import in one batch. Once done, Alight Motion places assets in the media panel so you can drag them onto the timeline. Make sure to name clips briefly. That prevents confusion when layering several elements later. Now you add clips to the timeline and control how they appear. Drag a video or image from media to the topmost track and use drag handles to trim or extend duration. Tap a layer to open the transform and crop controls. Adjust scale, position, rotation, and anchor points so motion is smooth. Once positioned, enable keyframes for motion. Set starting and ending values. This lets you animate movement, scale, or opacity. Keep values consistent to avoid jitter. Finish by adding effects, audio, and final timing. Play the sequence, then tweak effects or trim audio for sync. Use fade handles for smooth transitions. When satisfied, tap Export, choose resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Higher numbers increase quality and file size. If export fails, try clearing Alight Motion cache, re-importing the offending file, or converting the media to a standard codec like H.264. Finally, preview the exported file on device to confirm the output matches your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.